Hello everyone, I'm Suman, your economics teacher. Today I spent my Sunday in finding certain newer ways of testing my students, of conducting online tests. And in this Googling process, I reached at a website which I would like to share with each one of you. Please, you can note down this website. It is crossworduniverse.com. If you will go to this website, you will find here, if you go at this, I just a moment, give me just one minute. Suppose I go on this. I will find something of this sort. And then I go to crossword maker. When I click on crossword maker, I can generate my own words and their clues. For example, here I have created words and clues for my business studies. Like I want to check whether my students are clear on my terminology or not. So to check that, I have created this crossword puzzle. So I have taken different words, then in hints I have taken their definitions or their meaning. For example, suppose here I take a word, uh, leadership, or maybe I take a word, supervision. Here I give a clue, keeping eye on the subordinates. After typing, I can create up to 20 words in crossword puzzle. I'm making only for 10. Then you can click on create crossword. It will create a crossword puzzle for you. And here you can download the crossword in PDF format wheresoever you want to. You can download it, like for example, I'm downloading it in my notes. So it is my crossword puzzle. I want to download its solution also because I might have to refer to it, or maybe that instead of checking it on my own, I send the solution. Students can tell it in case I don't have that much time. Sometimes we just very quickly want to check whether students have understood it or not. So I believe that it is a beautiful way. I really liked it a lot, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So you can download three things: your crossword, your solution to the puzzle, and your puzzle. It can be used by social science teachers also, like I made it for poverty. I also created it for vocabulary for English for my own child. So we can utilize it in many ways. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.